Right, so I want to show this awesome use case for Claude Cowork. You can download Claude Desktop and then you'll see Cowork as an option up here. And this is kind of like a front-end version of Claude Code. So you don't have to log into the terminal. You can chat with it just like you could any AI, only it's all agentic now, as much as we all love that word, and it's going to figure out its own plan. Now, I'm using the new Opus 4.6. To get this all started, I did use the Webflow connector. So what we're seeing here now is my actual Webflow CMS. I built an event calendar inside of the website. And so we've got all these test events here. I want to be able to clean this up and get some real stuff in here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just say, can you see my event calendar in my biggest goal Webflow account? The CMS database is called events. And I forgot the question mark, but that's okay. It will actually think through all of this, make sure it can connect, find the website, look through this, and we'll see where it goes from here. All right, so it found the biggest goal website. It's grabbing the CMS collection, looking for events, found the events collection. It's now pulling all the details that we're seeing over here. All right, so it noticed that I have 24 events, summarizes everything for me, categorizes it by past events or upcoming events. A few suggestions that it noticed. Everything still has 2023 in the title despite having 2026 dates. That's pretty awesome. This is an outlier. It has a price tag of $1 million, which looks like placeholder data. Would you like me to help clean this up? Yes. Can you remove all these test entries? So it's going to ask me to clarify, do you want me to delete all 24 events in the events collection or only specific ones? We're doing all 24 events. Now be careful because this is permanent. So it's going to go through here. It should process all of this. I'll likely need to refresh my CMS on this side, but once it's done, okay, so it hit a limitation. And this is what's crazy about this. It's not just sitting here. Let's see if we can bring up this. So it built itself a plan. It said, I'm going to delete all of these. I'm going to verify that the collection is empty. So now it's trying to execute the plan. And it seems, it looks like it's already finding some of these things. So it's doing it at a time. It confirmed that all of them have been deleted. So if I refresh over here and then go to events, it's completely empty. So this took care of all of that. Okay, so let's say that I have a AI agents RAG N8N cohort starting March 2nd. It's going to go for 4 weeks. The sessions that I want to see on the calendar are every Tuesday. So that would be March 3rd plus the next 3 Tuesdays for a total of 4 weeks. Can you add this into the CMS? All right, so normally I'd give it a lot more information. And in fact, you can see here we can queue stuff. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to grab the actual Gamma deck, export it as a PDF, and then feed it this information so it can answer all these questions. Okay, so what I've done is stopped this. I'm going to grab a copy of this, repaste this. I've now uploaded the PDF that gives all the information about this specific event. So I can say, I've attached a PDF that contains all the information you should need to know about this event. Please fill in as many details as possible when you add these items into the CMS. And that should give it enough context to know what to do. So at this point, I'm hoping that it will create 4 separate events within this CMS so that I don't have to manually create all this stuff. Instead of recording content right here, I would actually be moving on with my day, waiting for this to be done in the background. And that's kind of the beauty of having these connections. So this is sitting here thinking, it's working on it. It's going to eventually update the CMS. So now it read the PDF, and it's going to actually do the work instead of me having to manually, or somebody on my team having to manually create an event, fill in all the fields, get all the information. I'll still need to get images and stuff for this, at least right now. But this is going to save me so much time. And if you think about all the data entry and all the work that you do, I could literally have different skills set up for Claude Cowork that give it instructions on exactly how to set up these events and what I need to do from there. So now it says week 1's created. I'll let this finish and then I'll reload it on this side, but we should see all of this stuff come into play. And this is just such a great example of how work is going to be done moving forward. This is an AI that I've given instructions. It's delegating this work. I could go on do other things. I can give it skills to enhance what it's doing and follow specific instructions every single time. I could even have this recur so that it's going to update these and check a spreadsheet, for example, when the next start date is, figure out all the dates. Okay, so it says all 4 are created. We can see up here, it probably, yep. So it created a new plan, create week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, figured out the dates, verify everything's created. And now if I refresh this, all right, so I went to events and we can see we've got week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. It is all mapped out. It is beautiful. And if I go into any of these, we can see it wrote all the details. It wrote the specifics. Yeah, it gave everything that we need in here to keep this going, even a short description. Start date, end time. Yep. So there's a couple things that I would change, like, nope, actually it got the time perfect. Got the time perfect on every single one of these, got the dates perfect on every single one of these. As a person, I would go through and review this and make sure all this looks good. I'd upload the images, drop in the links, but at this point, it did all this work for me, even calculating out the dates, which is such a pain in the butt, in a minute or two. So easy.